Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Thysto from Incredibox Sprunki Pyramixed. So first let's get started by drawing in a nice big circle right in the top center of our page for our head. For both of our eyes now, coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another circle. And then leaving a small gap, we're going to come across on the right and replicate that. Now in the center of our eye, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. And then moving underneath for the pupil, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a straight line. On the top left-hand side, now we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. We'll do the same thing as we move down on the left, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the left-hand side, let's draw a diagonal line coming in towards the center. And then we'll do the same on the right, just joining that together at a point. Now on the right, drawing in another diagonal line in towards the top of the head. Moving over towards the right, let's draw in a straight line that comes up. And then we'll draw a diagonal line coming out on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line joining in at the center. We're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up on the left. And then we'll bring this line down on the right. Now like we did over here, on the right, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. And then as we move down, we're going to bring that out. We're going to join this in the center with two diagonal lines joining at a point. Now on both sides, just below the eye, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out towards the bottom. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line in. Now let's move down again. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line up towards the chin. Now on the side again, bringing this line directly out. We'll bring this diagonal line down. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line back in. On the top, let's bring this line up. And then from that point, bringing this line over. Now for the body, let's draw in two diagonal lines stretching further out as we come in towards the bottom of our page. And then we're just going to close that off with a straight line. The tail behind, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same on the bottom, ending that at the same height. From here, we're going to bring this diagonal line up on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Thysto in Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.